Are you looking to install a pool this summer, but you want to make sure you're following proper pool safety? Hi, we're DF Supply, a leading distributor for fencing products, and today we're going to go over pool safety requirements and recommend some gate hardware that is pool code compliant. Swimming pools are a fun feature to have during the hot summer months, but following proper safety practices is crucial. Drowning is one of the leading causes of death for children and should be taken very seriously when it comes to pool ownership. It only takes a couple of seconds for drowning to occur, but it can be prevented with the right strategies. Drowning prevention starts with protecting the perimeter of the pool area. Choosing a proper fence is important, but can only take you part of the way. Having a gate paired with a gate latch that both meet safety standards will greatly reduce the chances of unsupervised access to the pool. Before we get into the general requirements for fences and gates, please note that pool codes and ordinances differ from region to region. Always check your local regulations before installing a pool or a pool fence. Pool fences have some general requirements that are commonly used. For starters, a pool fence must be at least 4 feet high with vertical pickets to prevent children from climbing over it. The bottom rail must be flush with the ground. If there is a third middle rail, it needs to be at least 4 feet from the bottom rail. It should be installed at least 4 feet away from the pool and should not have any climbable structures nearby. There should be no gaps in the fence that are larger than 4 inches. And the fence should always be properly maintained and must be routinely checked for damage. The gate of a fence also requires proper precautions as it is the main entry point to the pool area. Any pool gate should be a self-closing gate, and it needs to swing outward from the pool area. The gate latch release needs to be at least 54 inches from the ground so it is out of reach of children. The gate latch must be self-latching to make sure it is always secured. The gate latch should not be able to be shaken or jolted open. All hardware should be rust-free and properly maintained. Now let's take a look at some of the options for gate latches that are suitable for pool safety. D&D MagnaLatch child safety gate latches are very reliable and are a popular choice of gate latches for pool gates. They self-latch using magnetically triggered mechanisms, and there are 2 main models that are available, the side pull and the Series 3. The MagnaLatch Side Pull Series is a cost-effective solution that functions by pulling the release to the side. It can be vertically or horizontally adjusted, and there are both lockable and non-lockable options that are offered. It functions reliably as a pool latch, but also works for a general-purpose gate. It is also available in both a black and white finish. The side pull is ideal for someone who requires a reliable gate latch without breaking the bank. The MagnaLatch Series 3 is the newest edition of D&D pool gate latches. It features a top pull design, which keeps the release far off the ground where children can't reach. It is also lockable, vertically and horizontally adjustable, and can be purchased in either black or white. There are also options available that allow for the latch to be mounted to round posts. The Series 3 is a top-of-the-line pool latch that meets international standards for pool gates. There is also a Series 3 MagnaLatch that includes a built-in gate alarm. Using a gate alarm adds an extra layer of security, alerting you if the gate is open or left unlatched. These latches are the most expensive out of the 3, but it can be worth it for that extra peace of mind. Once again, we would like to reiterate that you should always check your local ordinances about pool safety requirements to ensure you are following the laws and meeting safety standards. But we hope this video was able to guide you in the right direction of making your pool safer. Check out GateHardwareCenter.com to learn more and view our large collection of gate latches. You can also give us a call and we can answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.